Hi, welcome to my cooking show. You want to see my cat? But this is Friday. She's 17. This is Jethro. You see? You see the camera? Yeah, he doesn't like to be held much. So hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make sweet crostata dough. We're gonna do the Snowberry Crostata, and I like saying crostata that way. There's a fly in here. First I'm gonna try to kill the fly, but we're gonna go ahead and make this pie dough in a minute from Skyrim's, the Elder Scrolls Cookbook. So I hope you enjoy. Snowberry. Alright. Snowberry. Okay, so we can look at it. Right? That's what it looks like. I'm gonna go make that in the kitchen in a minute. And I'm gonna make it in here too. Okay. So now my character is going to make a Snowberry Crostata. Right here, and create. Do you want to create this item? Yes. It's added. That's how easy it is. So anyway, now when I go into my items and I look at my food, here we are. We're making this. It's not that fancy in the game. If you see the fly, just know that it's just part of the scene. It's okay. It's to set the mood. What? It's recording. Dark rye flour here. Rye flour. It's not much. If it will focus. It does. Oh lordy. 2. Okay. Pinch of salt right here. It's one heck of a pinch. There's the fly. The fly is certainly here. This is how I cut butter. How do you cut butter? Is that how you cut butter? That's how I cut butter. Cook with me. Welcome to my cooking show. Welcome to my cooking show. I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon of cold water, okay? I'll add another one in a minute. So let's just do this thing. This will keep, my hands are warm, so it'll keep the butter cold. So now I have to add water, just enough for it to come together. And I might make 2 of these if I just so decide to make 2. I mean, you know, I could do like a mini Snowberry Crostata. So just half of that water there. I think that'll form the dough. Okay? But, you know, if it's so crumbly, might as well add some more. Am I right about that? No, this should be fine. Focus. Focus on the ball of dough. I'll form it into a disc in a second. On some plastic wrap. Not that they had plastic wrap back in the day in Skyrim. Not that it was at any time period or real at all. Try to lay your, oh my gosh, your plastic wrap down. So do this. Okay? And you refrigerate it. Put this in the fridge for about an hour, it says. Okay? I had a whole bunch of chicken stock. I also haven't talked in like an hour or two. I haven't spoken a word. We've done this. So we're gonna make a Snowberry Crostata. Okay. Let's do this again. From the outside looking at. No. To stop as easy to begin. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. North Spice. To take, 'cause I need something to take the edge off my latest mistake. From the outside looking in. Seems so difficult to stop as easy to begin. I'm in. 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 Excited. Now I've got my foot in the door. Just point out where you want me to sign it. Now I've got my foot in the door. I'm in. I'm in. That's fine. It's like a giant crunch wrap, except with berries. I want this one to be here.
Perfect memories fall down like ash from the fire we made love.
Up against the glass. Against the glass. Against the glass. All right, you guys, so that's all I wanted to show you was my Snowberry Crostata here. Oh, you can't even see me the entire time. I've been throwing this crostata all over the place, and you couldn't see what I was doing. That's the game, and that's the Snowberry Crostata right there. There. Me and my Snowberry Crostata, because it also takes me time to edit. So I'm gonna use this video of me talking. Monty, say bye. He's the happiest cat. Monty. Okay. Bye.